Hello, YouTube family. How are you? This is Step Ahead with Ernie Rivera, and I am your host, Ernie Rivera. I want to talk to you about a few things today, a few things that are currently going on in my world. Let's start off by a quote, shall we? When things are important enough, you do it, even if the odds are not in your favor. That was a paraphrase quote by Elon Musk. When something is important enough, you do it, even when the odds are not in your favor. That's got me feeling all kinds of ways today. You see, I'm not sure if you guys are keeping up, but I'm going to give you some news today on a few things, including a little stock called Nio, which has been going up, up, up recently. It's an EV stock. It has to do with electric vehicles. It's one of the largest EV companies in China right now. And their stock was doing pretty well for quite some time. They were, in a way, competing with Tesla in that their stock was much less expensive, but they were both companies were doing great things. They were both on the rise, and they were both rising by similar percentages for a time. Now, I sold my stock yesterday in Tesla, and I bought a whole bunch of Nio because I really believe in that company. Now, Tesla, I really, really believe in them long term. But right now, I was trying to make some quick term gains. And so I put my money in the Nio, believing that they were going to rise percentage wise much more than Tesla before both of them hit their temporary ceilings. So I put my money into Nio, and while it was going up for a while, and I saw some excellent profits in the very, very short term, today, man. Today, that stock went down, and I don't mean all the way down, but it went down by about 10%, which is quite a significant amount of money. That was all in after hours trading. You see, apparently, this is the news coming out of Neo. Apparently, they diluted their shares by like 750 million shares. Is that right? I'm gonna check. Hold on. That was absolutely not right. It was not 750 million shares. It was 75 million shares, which is still a huge amount of shares for them to be diluting all of a sudden. And for those of you who aren't familiar, it means all of a sudden they're giving out more shares of their company, which means all of a sudden the shares that are existing are worth just a little bit less. And that made the market feel a certain way. There was a lot of people selling out, taking profits right now, and that led to after hours trading, which went down 10%. Now, why is this having me reflect on a Tesla quote, or that is to say, an Elon Musk quote of the company Tesla? Well, I'll tell you why. Because if something is important enough, you do it, whether or not the odds are in your favor. And right now, I got a major hit to the ego that Neo stock went down, and I could sell it off now, sell it for a little bit of a loss, and try to preserve my cash. That is not what I'm going to do because I think it's important enough. I do have faith in that company. I think they're going to bring a lot of electric energy to China. I think they're going to help them deal with their pollution problems. I think they're going to do quite a lot of things in the coming years. And I think even in the short term, their stock is going to rise quite a bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait it out because I believe in that company because I think it is a good thing going on right now, and if it's important enough, you do it whether or not the odds are in your favor. They're temporarily not in my favor, but I do believe that my odds will rise, rise, rise very soon. It is at this time that I would like to remind you of two things. Thing one, I am not a financial advisor. I am a guy who barely knows how to manage his money, but I'm doing the best I can. I think I'm doing okay for myself, but that's me. I'm not telling you what to do. This is for entertainment purposes only. I'm just telling you what's going on with the stock right now, how it dipped, but I'm not telling you how to use your money, nor would I ever. Second thing, I would like to ask you, please, if you could, to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you get the new videos as soon as they come out. It's really, really important to me. It helps me build my channel, helps me build my YouTube family, and I thank you so much in advance. Thank you so much. Okay, So now that we're done with the Neo news, I want to catch you guys up a little bit. A lot of you have been like, well, Ernie, why have you been gone a week? Why are you leaving us hanging, man? And I'll tell you why I'm leaving you hanging. It is because last week I started at Cal Poly Pomona for my third year of undergraduate electrical engineering. That is right. I'm a third year electrical engineer and I'm taking 21 units this semester, 21 units. So I'm actually going to finish 1/3 of my whole time at Cal Poly in this one semester. And I hope to graduate in about a year and a half. So we are taking care of business. Taking care of business. Business. That is what we are doing today. That's why I've been gone a little bit, and I really thank you guys for staying tuned to my YouTube channel. I appreciate all your comments, all your messages, all your likes and subscribes. You guys are the best. I really do want to thank you. So at this time, again, I would just like to thank you for tuning in to Step Ahead with Ernie Rivera. I have been your host, Ernie Rivera. I wish you all well, and I wish that everything goes great for you all. Take care, guys. Bye.